How can I troubleshoot my HP printer if it is not printing after replacing the ink?
Hello viewers. Today, we are going to tackle a common issue many of you have been encountering. What should I do if my HP printer is not printing after replacing the ink? This tutorial aims to help you troubleshoot this issue and get your printer back in tip-top shape.
Did you install the ink cartridges correctly?
Sometimes the problem can be as simple as incorrectly installed ink cartridges. First, check that the ink cartridges are properly installed. Turn off the printer, wait for a few seconds, then turn it on again. Open the ink cartridge access door. Ensure that each ink cartridge is firmly snapped into place and corresponds with the correct color slot. Remember, the printer will not work if the cartridges are not correctly installed, even if they are full of ink.
Have you checked the ink levels?
If the ink cartridges are installed correctly but you're still facing issues, then it's time to check the ink levels. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the printer's control panel. Scroll to the option labeled Ink Levels or a similar term. Ensure that the printer recognizes the new ink cartridge. If the printer doesn't recognize the new ink cartridge, try removing it and reinserting it. This may prompt the printer to recognize the new cartridge.
Is the print nozzle clogged?
A common problem that can prevent an HP printer from printing is a clogged print nozzle. To clean the print nozzle, follow these steps. Go to the printer's control panel. Navigate to the Tools or Printer Maintenance menu. Choose Clean Print Head or a similar option to start the cleaning process. Cleaning the print head might help resolve print quality issues, including incomplete or streaked prints.
Have you tried a printer reset?
When all else fails, a printer reset can often resolve many printing issues. Here's how to reset your printer. Turn on your HP printer. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before you continue. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the rear of the printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet and to the printer. Reconnect the power cable to print and see if the issue is resolved. And there you have it. We hope these troubleshooting steps help you get your HP printer back to printing smoothly. Remember, it's crucial to perform these steps in order, as they progress from most common to less common issues. If these steps don't resolve the problem, you might need to consult with a professional or contact HP support. Thanks for tuning in, and happy printing!